It's a rather early and chilly morning. It's about 20 minutes to 5. I'm set up for this morning's session with the Freeletics app. I think this session is rather relevant for Hyrox because I have adapted it to 30 minutes as I need to get ready for work as well. But to start with, I have 40 burpees, 40 split lunges and 40 crunches. And then we have another set with 10 squat jumps, 15 squats, 15 sprawls, 10 push-ups. And of course, as usual, we have a warm-up and we have a cool-down to start with and to end the session with. So I better get started. short recap from that first set. I knew it was going to be hard. I'm quite sore after the orienteering last Sunday. It was long. I was out running in about 2.5 hours. I think the distance totally got 19k. The track itself was 15k, but I still feel it in my legs. So the split lunges was tough. I realized from the start that I needed to break them up in tens, and that was what I was able to do this morning. I felt from the first Hyrox full course that you need to be strong in your legs. It's a lot about running, and you have the burpee broad jumps, you have the sandbag lunges, I guess in wall ball as well. You need to have strong legs in all those exercises, and I think that's why these sessions with Freeletics are great for the foundation to build up a strong body. So I will keep on doing that. I can feel that my legs are really sore. I don't have that much power in them. It was noticeable directly at the squat jumps, and I think you can see during the sprawls that my legs was rather tired. The fatigue set in, and I'm glad it was just a short workout. And even though your upper body isn't working that much during the push-ups, I still feel quite tired. So it's a good workout.